At least 216 people are killed when a powerful 7.1 magnitude earthquake strikes Mexico Tuesday. The tremor comes on the anniversary of another massive quake in 1985, Mexico's deadliest ever. The quake strikes just 2 hours after Mexico held a national earthquake drill. The collapse of an elementary school kills at least 21 children and 5 adults. Another 30 to 40 remain trapped in the rubble. Mexican President Enrique Peña Nieto warns the death toll could rise. Follow Rappler.com for continuing updates.